Hi friends, it's Andrew Baechler, CEO of Eniva Health here, talking to you about our 2020 holiday promotions. And I'm going to start with my personal favorite, and it's this, our world famous Super Omega Heart Healthy Cooking Oil. For those of you familiar with this product, you know it has the highest smoke point of any cooking oil on the face of the planet. And you know about its delicate, delicious flavor, great for any food and any temperature. But here's the great part about our holiday promotion. We're doing a buy three, get one free promotion starting now through the end of the year. All of them will come with the Santa packaging, the sleeve and the hat. Plus, they come individually boxed. So not only save money, but save time in your holiday gift giving. If you're looking for a unique and delicious gift to give that long list of individuals, this is a very thoughtful gift they will enjoy time and time again. Take advantage of it. Buy three, get one free. Next, we have our ResVante Reserve holiday packaging. For those on your holiday list who are wine lovers, or if they are interested in anti-aging, this is a perfect holiday gift. And we've done it up this year in the wine bottle packaging along with the special holiday edition gift tag. It is a unique blend of trans-resveratrol, antioxidant polyphenols, along with red wine extracts. And that makes it a powerful, free radical fighting defense formula and just a wonderful, wonderful anti-aging and antioxidant product. Here's the holiday tip. Take 1 ounce of your ResVante Reserve, put it in 3 ounces of unflavored sparkling water, sip and enjoy. And I promise you, anti-aging never tasted so good. If you're interested in the holiday packaging, take advantage of it as we have a very limited number of these bottles available through the end of the year. Friends, we wish you the very best these holidays for a healthy and happy 2020 holiday season. God bless and thanks for watching.